Hello students, welcome back to the last session on fractions and decimals. In previous video, we had discussed about division of decimals and we had seen division of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. And we had completed up to question number 4 of exercise 2.7. So in this video, let us continue from question number 5. Before that, I am attaching the homework solutions that I was given in last video. You just check out the answers. Question number 5, find. We are given 9 subdivision of questions and we can solve one by one. Solution. First subdivision. 7 divided with 3.5. 7 is a whole number that we can take directly and 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. So 7 divided with 35 by 10. Which is equal to 7 into reciprocal of 35 by 10 is 10 by 35. So on cross cancellation of 7 and 35 we got 7 ones are 7 and 7 fives are 35. Now 1 into 10 by 5, that is 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. Next second subdivision, 36 divided with 0.2. So 36 divided with 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. Now 36 into reciprocal of 2 by 10 is 10 by 2. So 36 into 10 by 2. On cross cancellation of 36 and 2, we got 2 ones are 2 and 2 18s are 36. Now the numerators 18 into 10, which is equal to 180. Third subdivision, 3.25 divided with 0.5. Here we are given two decimal numbers that should be divided. Firstly, we are converting each decimal numbers into a fraction format. If we are converting into a fraction format means it will be easy to calculate. So that 3.25 can be written as 325 by 100 since it is having 2 digits after a decimal point. And 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 since it is having 1 digit after a decimal point. Now 325 by 100 divided with 5 by 10, which is equal to 325 by 100 into reciprocal of 5 by 10 is 10 by 5. Now 325 by 100 into 10 by 5. So on cross cancellation of 5 and 325 we got 5 ones are 5 and 5 65 times are 325. And the same cross cancellation of 10 and 100, 0 and 0 getting cancelled. So that 65 into 1 divided by 10 into 1, which is equal to 65 by 10, which is equal to 6.5. Fourth subdivision, 30.94 divided with 0.7. Firstly, we are converting both the decimal numbers into a fraction format. Now 30.94 can be written as 3094 by 100 and 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. Now 3094 by 100 divided with 7 by 10, which is equal to 3094 by 100 into reciprocal of 7 by 10 is 10 by 7. So on cross cancellation of 7 and 3094, we got 1 and 442. Also by cross cancellation of 10 and 100, 0 and 0 getting cancelled. Now it becomes 442 into 1 divided with 10 into 1, which is equal to 442 by 10, which is equal to 44.2. Fifth subdivision, 0.5 divided with 0.25. 0.5 will be written as 5 by 10 and 0.25 will be written as 25 by 100. Now 5 by 10 divided with 25 by 100, which is equal to 5 by 10 into 100 by 25. Now on cross cancellation of 5 and 25, we got 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. Then again on cross cancellation of 10 and 100, 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled. Now it become 1 into 10 divided by 1 into 5, which is equal to 10 by 5. So answer is 2. Sixth subdivision, 7.75 divided with 0.25. 7.75 will be written as 775 by 100 and 0.25 will be written as 25 by 100. That is 775 by 100 divided with 25 by 100. Now 775 by 100 into reciprocal of 25 by 100 is 100 by 25. Now on cross cancellation of 25 and 775, we got 25 ones are 25 and 25 31 times are 775. Again on cross cancellation of 100 and 100, both will be getting cancelled and it become 31 into 1 divided by 1 into 1, which is equal to 31. Next, seventh subdivision, 76.5 divided with 0.15. So 76.5 will be written as 765 by 10 and 0.15 will be written as 15 by 100. Now 765 by 10 into 15 by 100 will be taken reciprocal and it is equal to 100 by 15. So 765 by 10 into 100 by 15. Now on cross cancellation of 15 and 765, we got 1 and 51. Again on cross cancellation of 100 and 10, 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled. So that it become 51 into 10 by 1 into 1, which is equal to 51 into 10, that is 510. Eighth subdivision, 37.8 divided with 1.4. 37.8 will be written as 378 by 10 and 1.4 will be written as 14 by 10. Now 378 by 10 into reciprocal of 14 by 10 is 10 by 14. So on cross cancellation of 14 and 378, we got 27 and 1. Again on cross cancellation of 10 and 10, both will be getting cancelled. So that it become 27 into 1 divided by 1 into 1, which is equal to 27. Ninth subdivision, 2.73 divided with 1.3. So 2.73 will be written as 273 by 100 and 1.3 will be written as 13 by 10. Now 273 by 100 into 10 by 13. On cross cancellation of 13 and 273, we got 1 and 21. Again on cross cancellation of 10 and 100, 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled. So that it become 21 into 1 divided by 10 into 1, which is equal to 21 by 10, which is equal to 2.1. Question number 6, which is the last question of this chapter, fractions and decimals. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So in this question we are given in 2.4 liters of petrol, a vehicle will cover 43.2 km. Then in 1 liter of petrol, how much distance will it cover? That we want to find. Solution: distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol is equal to 43.2 km. Hence, distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 43.2 divided by 2.4. Now 43.2 can be written as 432 by 10 and 2.4 will be written as 24 by 10. So 432 by 10 into reciprocal of 24 by 10 is 10 by 24. Now on cross cancellation 10 and 10 will be getting cancelled. So 432 by 24, which is equal to 18 kilometer. Therefore, the required distance is 18 kilometer. So with this question, our exercise 2.7 is over. Also, our chapter 2 fractions and decimals completed. Now let us recall what are all the topics we had seen in this chapter so far. So in fractions and decimals, the first part fractions, in that we had seen addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions. In that we had seen multiplication of fraction by a whole number and multiplication of fraction by another fraction. And we had seen division of fractions, in that division of fractions by 10, 100 and 1000. Then division of a fraction by a non-zero whole number and division of fraction by another fraction. And second part decimals, in that we had seen multiplication of decimals, in that multiplication of decimals by a whole number and multiplication of decimal by another decimal number. And last we had seen division of decimals, in that division of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000, division of decimal by a non-zero whole number and division of decimal by another decimal number. So these are all the topics that we had covered in this chapter 2 fractions and decimals. So thank you children.